An Xfinity remote may need resetting for several common reasons. Malfunctioning buttons that don't respond properly can often be fixed by a reset. If the remote is incorrectly programmed to control your TV or other devices, resetting clears the programming. Pairing issues between the remote and your cable box or TV can also be resolved through resetting. This is a simple first troubleshooting step that usually solves these problems. The most common way to reset an Xfinity remote is using the Setup button. Press and hold the Setup button until the light at the top turns green. Once the light is green, enter the code 9-81 using the number buttons. The light will blink twice, indicating a successful reset. This method works for most Xfinity remote models and is the easiest approach. First, locate the Setup button on your Xfinity remote. Press and hold it until the light blinks twice. When you press the Setup button, the remote's light at the top will change from green to red and blink twice. Now enter your TV's 3-digit code using the number buttons. Press them one by one. Some Xfinity remotes don't have a Setup button. For these models, press and hold the A button, which is often colored, and the OK button simultaneously for 3 seconds until the remote light changes. Then enter the code 981. First, locate the A button on your remote. Press and hold it until the light begins to flash. Next, press the OK button in the center of the remote. The remote's light will change color, indicating it has entered pairing mode. Finally, enter the pairing code 981 using the number pad on your remote. If the other reset methods don't work, try this alternative approach: battery removal. Remove both batteries from your remote control. Wait 15 to 30 seconds before proceeding. This allows the remote's memory to fully reset. Then reinsert the batteries in the correct orientation. This performs a hard reset of the remote. This basic method can sometimes resolve minor glitches when other resets fail. After resetting your Xfinity remote, it will need to be paired with your TV and cable box again. First, press and hold the Setup button on your remote until the status light turns green. Then enter the specific setup code for your TV brand or follow any on-screen prompts that appear. For step-by-step details on finding codes or troubleshooting, refer to Xfinity's pairing resources or another video. If issues persist after resetting your Xfinity remote, such as the remote not responding, try these troubleshooting steps. Common problems include the remote not responding at all, intermittent signal loss, or buttons feeling unresponsive. First, check the battery life and replace batteries if they're low. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and your TV or cable box with no obstructions. Finally, try repairing the remote using the reset methods we covered. If problems continue, visit the Xfinity support website for detailed guides and FAQs. You can also contact customer service directly for personalized assistance. Remember, if your remote remains completely non-functional, it may indicate a hardware issue requiring replacement.